Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading. Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Okay, so this could be you taking a cautious approach, or this is someone coming in or coming back into your life taking a cautious approach to you because they messed up. Clarify, is it safe for you to love? This could be the one, see? Clarify engagement. Give your relationship a chance. Try to come out. Let's see. Clarify engagement. Let go of control issue. Yeah. Okay. We're going to have to break this down. I'm still seeing it both ways, guys. So, for a lot of you, I'm telling you, there could be somebody new coming in. This is somebody new. And I feel like with it is safe for you to love, Spirit is saying, don't brush this person off or give this person a hard time due to what you've been through in your previous relationships. Give this person a chance. Like, it's okay. It's safe for you to open up. Just go with the flow. Stop trying to control, the situation. Stop trying to control how things play out. Because this person is coming in to offer you a commitment, relationship, something that can lead to marriage later on. But it's like you're taking a cautious approach because you don't want to be hurt. You're tired of it, but there's definitely a connection between the two of you. For others of you, the person from the past could be coming back in and they're taking a cautious approach to even speak their truth about wanting to offer you a new commitment or even proposing to you. However, depends on where you guys were at. But they're taking that cautious approach because they messed up. And they know that there's a strong connection between the two of you. They know that you're the one for them. They want you to know when they come back, they're not playing games. Like, this is it. They're done. They're going to do whatever they can to win you back. But this person, it has been very stubborn. And I feel like they've been trying to control, how things play out. Because for some of you guys, they've been trying to get you out of their mind so they can just try to move on with whoever or whatever they've been doing. But it's like it's nagging at them. Like, you're supposed to be with him or her. So Spirit is saying they need to stop trying to control how things play out and just go with the flow. Okay. That's what I'm saying. It can go two ways, but let's just see how this plays out. Let's see, Aquarius. General reading, please. Alright, Aquarius, let's see. Okay. Bottom of the deck, there's the Four of Cups. Okay, so I'm telling you, there's an offer coming in. I'm still seeing it both ways because this could be somebody new coming in trying to offer you, the chance for them to date you, take you out, and you're like, I don't want it. No, I'm good. All y'all men or all y'all women, y'all the same. I don't have time. So it's like you may reject them. For others of you, this is the person from the past wanting to come back in to give you that offer of commitment, and they're afraid that you're going to reject them because they put you through a lot. So let's see. Some of y'all, I'm seeing it two ways. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Gemini. If not, I do feel like this person knows that they, cause an imbalance. So there was just like an imbalance within this like relationship dynamic here. Because see, it's like somebody wants stability here. They're looking at long term, but they know that you're disappointed in them. See, this is the past person now. See what I'm saying? I'm not going to discredit it. So for those of you that are single, you want love coming in, if that's what you're truly manifesting, I really do feel like there's somebody new coming in. But for the rest of you, it's the past, okay? They're coming back. Somebody has to remove themselves from a third-party situation, see, in order to offer you commitment. See what I'm saying? I'm telling you, some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus. The Eight of Wands just tried to jump out. This person wants to talk to you. I do feel like there's communication coming in. See? Somebody also could be dealing with a Scorpio, but this person is afraid that you don't want to have a new beginning with them. But I do feel like this person they're changing. Whatever was going on with them, there's been some type of change. Let's see. Somebody's coming out of worrying. Somebody's coming out of being frustrated. But see, I feel like it's you. If whoever was the one that was betrayed by someone, I feel like you're not worrying about it. Whether it's cross-watcher, Aquarius is you, somebody's like not worried about this individual. It's like you're trying to move on. But the person that hurt you, they're frustrated because they know that they were moving too slow to make things right, to come back towards you. Somebody could be frustrated with their finances, but I'm more so picking up like they took too long. That's why they're afraid that you're not going to take their offer, because it's like they should have been came back in, but they didn't, you know? And that's why Spirit is saying they're not using their intuition. But at the end of the day, I'm telling you, whoever was hurt or betrayed in this situation and kept getting stabbed in the back, you're healing. You're healing and you're moving on. And that's why I feel like this person is scared to come towards you, because they know that you basically out here trying to live your best life. If you're not living your best life already, you're healing. You're like, I'm telling you, you're moving on. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But somebody's trying to have the strength to do something. Tell me more. It's the person that messed up. They're trying to have the strength to come towards you, but see, this person is still moving slow, and that's the problem. I feel like they've been fighting themselves. A lot of internal conflict. If there was just a lot of arguing going on, I feel like they don't want to argue with you, Aquarius, but they've been like battling someone else outside of the two of you. And so, at this point, they're tired of arguing with them. They don't want to argue with you. They're tired of arguing or, like, kind of going back and forth within themselves. So, they want to come, but it's just moving slow. See? They want to have a new beginning. They definitely want a new beginning with you. Look at that. Yeah. This person definitely wants to have a new beginning. And see, they don't know what to do. This person does not know what to do. Because they're afraid that you're not going to accept this offer. Then they feel like you look at them like they don't bring security at all, and they haven't, because they messed up. They played around too much in the past, and this is why you're either not hearing from them at all, or there's basically little communication. Like, it's just they're moving too slow to basically speak up and tell you what's going on, how they're feeling. The Tower. Why is the Tower here? Because I feel like the universe is stepping in, or there was some type of shakeup. Yeah, I can see someone's isolating themselves. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Yep. Okay, yeah, it's the person that messed up. Yeah, they had a Tower moment, and I do feel like they're seeing the truth of a lot of things that has been going on. And this is why they're keeping to themselves. This is why you're really not hearing from them, because they're realizing that they were the reason why they didn't bring balance to the situation in the past. And see, they want to come back and give you an offer, but you don't trust them. Yeah, because they hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person, I'm telling you, they want to build with you. They want to start over and build something solid with you guys. Yep, so they're talking to someone, getting advice here. Because they want to move forward with you. They want to take this lead, but they're afraid that you're going to walk away from them. They're afraid. And it's like, whoever this is resonating for, they messed up so bad, and you're looking at it like, I'm no longer going to be a fool, you know? Not saying that y'all are fools, but this is how, like, y'all are thinking, like, you know, I'm not gonna play this game with you and give you another chance for you to try to hurt me again. So it's like some of you guys are like, no, I'm walking away. Or this could be how this person is thinking and feeling about you. Like, you're gonna walk, see? You're gonna walk. They feel like you're gonna end things for good. They're feeling like you don't want to have a commitment with them. And see, look at this. Y'all, look, they feel like they lost you for good. They feel like you're done. It's over. And it's frustrating them. Because they're afraid that you're not going to give them a new opportunity. Excuse me. Because, yeah, in the past, they could have, like, what am I trying to say to y'all? In the past, I mean, somebody could definitely be dealing with a Capricorn, but in the past, it's like, because of everything that they have done to you, I do feel like this person, there were a lot of like toxic tendencies with this person. There was like a lot of codependent behaviors. This is why they're scared. They're scared that you're not going to give them another chance. Tell me more. Yeah, because this person was being really harsh towards you in the past. So it's like they know that they have to rush in to give you this secure offer. They know that they do, but it's like they're talking themselves out of it. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. So there was definitely somebody interfering here. It could have been a love interest, or this could be a mother, family member, whoever it is. But it's just, regardless, they entertained something that was toxic. And this is why they behaved a certain way that they did towards you in the past. Now, they're looking at you like, this, he or she's not going to accept my cup. You know, they're not positive about me anymore because of everything that I have done. But I'm still willing and I'm still wanting to work this out with him or her. So I want to come back. And I want to turn things around, because how I was behaving, that's not me, you know, that's not who I really am. They suppressed how they truly felt about you due to what other people wanted them to do, or they were trying to fit in, you know, take it however it fits. But I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward with you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. They want to move forward with you. They do not want you to cut them off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yeah, see? They don't want you to cut them off, Aquarius. They're going to come back and work really hard. This person wants to prove consistency to you. That they can be consistent. That they're not going to leave you out in the cold. That they're not going to listen to other people. It's like they learn. This person, I'm telling you, they had a tower moment. There was a big shakeup. So you could be dealing with a Pisces, but I really do feel like this person is using their intuition. They are. They're listening. They're listening to their intuition, but at the same time, they're scared to open up. They're scared to give you this offer because they were being really sneaky in the past. They were. And they're afraid that you're not going to accept it. You're not going to want to hear them out. You're not going to want to hear anything that they have to say at all. See, and this person wants stability with you, but this person, I'm picking up this arrogant energy, like pride, ego. They were arrogant, you know, and this person did you wrong. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. But they're regretting it now. They're regretting it. I feel like this person's been regretting it. They're just not saying anything. They do want to balance things out with you, though. Tell me more. So in order to do that, they're trying to clear away obstacles. Okay. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person knows what they want. They're confident. They're going to come, but they're trying to clean something up first. And see, yeah, I told you this person left you out in the cold in the past, Aquarius. And see, as soon as I said your name, here you go. You know, and because they left you out in the cold, I know that you guys have been healing. It's like, you know what, F them. I got to do what I have to do. I need to move on, move forward with my life. And they feel that energy, and they know that's what you're doing. At the same time, it's like they feel like there's no hope. You know, you're not going to take them back. They did. I can't even, if I'm speechless, it's a problem, okay? I'm telling you, this person messed up something bad, you know? You could be dealing with another Aquarius. See, I told you, it's like, this person was extremely sneaky. They really were. That's why I'm like, I got speechless to the point where I'm still speechless. Like, y'all, they messed up, okay? They messed up bad. And see, it's like, they want things to improve with you. They want happiness with you. And they're going to be confident. They're coming towards you. But see, they're just not positive. This person is still in their head. You know, look, they're sad. They're sad. They're emotional because of everything that they put you through.